Alright, so we start off today's video with someone who's going to be making over their bar cart. So this is like a basic bar cart that they bought and they wanted to make it look a little bit more trendy. So I guess they're going to be taking this apart in order to transform it. Oh, spray painting it gold around the perimeter. And believe it or not, bar carts are pretty expensive, so DIYing your own is an amazing idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today's video is going to feature a variety of disco inspired DIYs as well as some other projects. So here we have someone transforming their martini glass with the disco look. This is such a fun trend, and this will make for like a really cute decorative glass. I love this idea. And if you are interested in doing any of these disco style projects, you can find most of these mirrored tiles on Amazon. So cute. I love how she did like the little fake lime on there too. Then we have someone doing a disco mirror. So she has like these pre-disco balls here. She's just putting them on. This is so pretty. I like her hair too. The money piece highlight look. I wonder where she got these balls because they just look absolutely amazing. And I love this mirror. Wow. That came out so cool. Alright, so we have someone at Hobby Lobby buying a big M. And she added the disco tiles to that. That would make for an amazing decorative statement piece in your home. I love this idea. And look at this wall. I wonder how long this took. This is absolutely unreal. I like how she has like her piano and stuff on there. Oh my gosh, those are so cool. So it looks like she used little hanger things to do these. Wow. I know that probably took a long time. But the end result, perfection. This would be really cute in like a studio or your beauty room. It's just such a nice decorative statement wall. How pretty to be able to take like pictures in front of this too. That would be so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the piano. I didn't even notice that before. Oh, I am loving the vibes with this. Yes, I want to see the rest of her home because she looks like she has a lot of fun with her decor. So here we have someone with some paper. It looks like they're making like flowers. Rhinestone glue gun, I love it. So she's doing like an outline here, adding in the gold foil. Gold and white. Oh, wow. I've actually seen this in the store before. I can't believe she made her own. This is gorgeous. And you would never know that that's just paper and gold foil. That is insane. She is truly talented. So then we have some circles here with black paper. Looks like she might be making more flowers. Or another variation of it. Oh, she's making, okay, so she's adding in texture with the glue gun. That looks pretty by itself, but then she takes it up a notch with this gold foil. Wow, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I can't decide which one I like more, the gold and white or the black and gold. Oh, I think I like the black and gold better. This is just, oh, wow. I would have never thought you could do that yourself. What in the world? Okay, so she's putting like moss and like, okay, this is, I don't know how I feel about this trend. Or this look, rather. It's kind of nice, though. So then we have someone doing the wavy mirror trend. So most of these wavy mirrors, obviously they're expensive, so you can make your own. Save yourself some money. What's nice about making your own too is you can do it in pretty much any color you desire. And she went with like a really pretty pink lavender. Oh, so cute. I love it. She did a great job with that one. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.